Hello folks, with Samsung's flagship launches for 2022 out of the way, the rumor mill is now focused on the 2023 lineup. The Galaxy S23 series will be the first flagship launch of the new year. With less than 4 months to go until 2023 begins, it's no surprise that the Galaxy S23 rumors have now started coming in. According to prominent Samsung tipster IceUniverse, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be somewhat of an incremental upgrade over the current model, at least in terms of looks. In a tweet, the leaker stated that the size of the S23 Ultra will be very similar to that of its predecessor. The next Ultra will be 0.1 or 0.2 mm wider, but retain the 8.9 mm thickness. The device is going to feature a 5000 mAh battery along with the same 6.8-inch 3088 by 1440 pixel screen. It's not surprising, given that the Galaxy S22 Ultra brought the most significant design change for the Ultra model. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is the reincarnation of the Galaxy Note, as it features the lineup signature boxy design with an internal slot for the S Pen. Samsung has previously confirmed that all Galaxy S Ultra models will now have this DNA. Hence, barring the peculiar fault, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to be Samsung's most premium big screen smartphone for the 2023. Since a major design change was made last year, one can say with reasonable certainty that the Galaxy S23 Ultra won't be pushing any boundaries when it comes to design. However, main cameras can still be made in the new style. While the S23 Ultra will not be seeing much change physically, the device will likely be powered by the currently unreleased Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And I think Snapdragon for European users will be enough reason for upgrading. Accordingly, it is precisely the performance of the latter that will ultimately determine how much of an upgrade the S23 Ultra is going to be. There have also been rumors about a 200 megapixel camera being used for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung may utilize a newer in-display fingerprint sensor as well for increased accuracy. We talked about it yesterday. So basically, the S23 Ultra will be the S22 Ultra with a better processor, better software, and an even more overkill main camera while being otherwise identical. Sounds good to me. That's still a nearly perfect phone. Samsung isn't expected to unveil the Galaxy S23 series until February next year, so there's still a long way to go before we can make any conclusions about the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And I propose to walk this path with us, so subscribe to our channel. Also share this video with your friends and good luck!